In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Global Protect on-demand VPN client software. A VPN is a virtual private network, and we don't have to go too deep into what that means, but what it's going to allow you to do is to log on to a server which has Pro Tools authorizations on it. So in other words, you'll have the software on your computer, but the authorization is going to be done through the school's network. It will allow you to use the software, and it will be authorized without you having to pay for it or be on ground to use a school computer. You can use the link that has been provided by your instructor, or to find it manually, you could just go to the website, search VPN, and then go to Knowledge Base Virtual Private Network. And the one that we're looking for is OnDemand. So click that one. You want to use the on-demand version because you need to be able to turn it off. Otherwise, your computer is going to act like a Chico state computer, and you will only be able to do things on it that you would do on the college campus, essentially. Go to the Global Protect on-demand VPN page, and then you find the appropriate operating system. In this case, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to do this one first. And then it takes you through your system requirements. Most computers could probably handle this part of it. There are more specific requirements for installing Pro Tools itself. And then scroll down and go to where it says download instructions, and then click on vpn.chico.edu. It will take you to this page. Modern computers are going to be 64-bit computers, so click on the one that's associated with your computer. In my case, it's the Mac. It takes a little while to download. I did this in Chrome, so it shows up in the bottom left-hand corner, or it's going to show up in your downloads folder, probably. And it opens up a standard installer window. And you've probably installed stuff on your computer before, but if you haven't, the installer will take you through the process. So you could just click continue. We just need Global Protect, the top thing here. Hit continue, and then hit install. Type in whatever the password is for your computer. So in other words, not your school password, but what you use to just open up your computer to use it. Then you'll get a progress bar as it's installing things onto your computer. And then just close it. It's going to show up in the banner at the top of your computer. And right now it's not connected. What you need to type in here is vpn.chico.edu. It will take you to your login page, and then just log in like you would to get onto the Chico State services like email or Canvas. And then it should say connected. So there you go. That is the first step. But there's one more before we can get Pro Tools running. And that is properly setting up iLok License Manager.